Hey IG Garage family, have you ever noticed poor engine performance or a decrease in fuel efficiency and suddenly got the P0471 code flashing on your scanner? This code is all about the exhaust pressure sensor, and if it's off, it can lead to big problems for your car's efficiency and performance. Today I'll help you locate this sensor, understand what's causing the issue, and walk you through a quick fix. Let's jump in. So what's code P0471 all about? This code refers to an issue with the exhaust pressure sensor, specifically that it's sending a signal outside the expected range. When the exhaust pressure sensor isn't working correctly, it can throw off your car's emission controls, leading to issues like decreased fuel efficiency, poor performance, and even increased emissions. Now let's talk about the location, because knowing exactly where this sensor is can save you a ton of time. The exhaust pressure sensor is typically located near the exhaust manifold or along the exhaust pipe, close to the turbocharger if your car has one. It's usually positioned to capture exhaust pressure levels right as they leave the engine. Getting this location right is crucial. Messing with the wrong sensor can lead to more issues, so make sure you're looking at the exhaust pressure sensor and not any other nearby components. Symptoms of a bad exhaust pressure sensor include poor acceleration, rough idling, and even excessive smoke from the exhaust. Common causes for this code could be a faulty sensor-clogged exhaust passages or wiring issues that affect the sensor's signal. To fix this, first inspect the exhaust pressure sensor and its connector for any signs of damage or corrosion. Check the exhaust passages for any blockages as well. If the sensor is faulty, you'll want to replace it. Just disconnect the wiring, unbolt the sensor, and put in the new one. Once installed, clear the P0471 code using your scanner and take your car for a quick test drive. If the sensor was the issue, you should notice smoother performance and a return to normal fuel efficiency. And that's how you deal with code P0471. If this guide helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. For more troubleshooting, check out these related videos. First up, watch our video on P0237 if you're dealing with turbo boost sensor issues, and check out P0251 for insights on fuel metering control issues. Thanks for tuning in to IG Garage. See you in the next video.